father is from a place in Australia called Narrandera. It's an old country town. He was a farmer. Then he decided to move to the coast and take up scuba diving. Him and his friends got together and they went on a trip around the Pacific Islands, scuba diving in all the different countries. He stopped in a place called Samoa and went to Agate Gray's Hotel. There on stage was a woman dancing, the Samoan Siva. And 9 months later is when I arrived. My parents are still together, they're very, very good people, and I was very lucky to grow up in Australia with my Samoan uncles close by showing me the way, as they do. So I am an Osmoan, very proud of that. And this is the first song that my mum showed me to play. Oh, Siva, Siva Maya, Siva Maya, Iamanaya, Letato, so Siva, Siva Sulu, Siva Mumamelalo, oh, where Atamaya, Atamaya, Iamanaya, Letato, so Ata Sulu, Ata Mumamelalo, oh, where Bese Maya, Bese Maya, Iamanaya, Letato, so Bese Sulu, Bese Mumamelalo. Oh, Siva Maya, Siva Maya, Iamanaya, Letato, so Siva Sulu, Siva Mumamelalo, oh, where Atamaya, Atamaya, Iamanaya, Letato, so Ata Sulu, Ata Mumamelalo, oh, where Bese Maya, Bese Maya, Iamanaya.